Welcome back to AssemblyRow, Alloy Condominiums. In one of our last videos, we talked about a rare layout, a 2-bedroom plus den that never made it to market. This particular home is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath in the largest floor plan in the entire building. Only one of 5 3-bedrooms in the building. This unit's on the 10th floor. It's a corner unit and has amazing upgrades. He added beautiful custom closets to the bedrooms, hardwired, blackout and solar blinds, Cat 6 wiring, and so much more.